This comes from gruntstuff.com. Court hears Johnny Depp's Texas threatening to burn Amber Heard. Johnny Depp texts that he would burn and drown his ex-wife Amber Heard and fuck her burnt corpse throughout their unstable relationship in a court docket that was heard. This was heard back in the UK, by the way, in the UK case. Beforehand, unseen 2013 text messages allegedly dispatched by Johnny Depp to a good friend, Paul Bettany. Johnny Depp, who attended, again this is in the UK, was in the room as his text to Bettany had been read aloud. This is what he wrote back in November 6th of 2013. Let's burn Amber Heard. The court docket heard. Let's drown her earlier than we burn her. I'll fuck her burnt corpse afterwards to be certain she's lifeless. Then he texts some more stuff, which also went to Paul. Johnny Depp said, text the following. I'm going to correctly cease the booze factor. Drank all evening earlier, then I picked Amber up to fly to LA this previous Sunday. Ugly mate. No meals for days. Powders. Half a bottle of whiskey. 1,000 pink bull and vodkas, capsules, 2 bottles of Champers on the aircraft. And what do you get? Champers, I think he means champagne. I think, could be wrong. And what do you get? An offended, now this I don't understand, aggro Indian in a fucking blackout, screaming obscenities and insulting any fuck who are quiet close to. I am mentally too fucked within the herd to spray my rage on the one I really like. For little motive, as properly, I'm too previous to be that man, however. Capsules are advantageous. David Shamborn, who is a lawyer, claimed that Heard was not the sufferer, however, the aggressor within the couple's relationship, which resulted in Depp and Heard getting divorced in 2017. That Amber Heard, and this was said by Adam Waldman, his attorney, she's a hoax. That she picked a fraction of a pissed-off text message to a good friend, despite how many there were. Here's what Mr. Depp truly stated subsequent in his text content. That he might by no means hurt Amber. I'm admitting I'm too fucked within the herd to spray my rage on the one I really like. So basically, Johnny was just reaching out to a friend, and we all have times when we're in a relationship and we just want to vent. We want to vent to somebody like a best friend, someone we could trust. We're just angry at that time. And whether Johnny was smoking, whether he was on something, whether he was drinking, Johnny never, and this is the bottom line, he never ever harmed her. He never had any intention of harming her. No intention whatsoever. He never hit her. He never beat her. He never did anything like this. Now he's angry. And you know what? He has every right to be. Look at all she's put him under. Look at all she has done to him. I mean, crapping on your bed, severing your finger, hitting you in the head with a door. The list goes on and on and on. Admitting that she's done these things. She's punched him and threw pots and pans at him. Admitting, let alone cheating on him with Elon Musk and James Franco. Has she done enough? Apparently not. So now she tries, like I said, there's a lot of evidence she's trying to use on her end. And this is just more. Trying to find and dig through anything negative that she could try and say, like she has been, it's the drugs, it's the alcohol, and he's violent. And this just proves that he's violent. This is the case she's building up here. So when people go out and say, well, she doesn't have anything, this is what she's using. Am I saying that this is enough? Not really. Through the evidence he's shown and she's shown, no. Basically, he was angry, he vented, he said something, whether he was drunk, whether he was high, I can't answer. But he had every right at this point to be angry at somebody who's just trying to throw him under a bus. He catches her videotaping himself and sending it to TMZ and editing that film. Of course, I show you the unedited version of what she's shown to TMZ and the public to get it out there that he was violent when that wasn't truly the case. She doesn't stop, and she just keeps going and going and going. And this is who Amber Heard truly is. All I see it as is somebody angry. That's it. He was angry, he vented, he said something, but he never harmed her. But you let me know what you feel in the comment section below. With that being said, I hope you hit the like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can catch more Amber Heard versus Johnny Depp videos right here on this channel on Entertainment and Star Wars. Be well, be safe. Thank you for your support. What do you think? You let me know. We'll talk about it. As always, I try to get to all my comments. Take care.